Pinwheels block is 12 inches finished, and it's a 9 patch. Here's the patch diagram, and all of these are half square triangles, so you have your alternative method of using 8 at a time half square triangles. You also have the AccuQuilt dies that are used for this block. You're going to cut 2 patches, a triangle, half square triangle, and a square. Here are the pieces you cut, and you're going to make 20 patches for the half square triangle, the light, the dark, and the light, and then you're going to make 4 patches for the square. Go ahead and make all of your half square triangles, either method you choose. And if you're not doing the 8 at a time and you're doing these individually, it's a great time to use your chain piecing, where you just put one after the other and then cut them all loose after you're done. After you have your triangles made, press the seams open, and then you're going to make 10 of these half pinwheels. You sew 2 together, and be sure that you look at the placement of them, because if it's wrong, you're going to do all of them wrong. So sew pairs together just like this, and then you're going to take these 2 pairs and sew them into a pinwheel like that. And here's the finished pinwheel, and all the seams are pressed open. Now we'll put them in the block. Thank you for watching.